Well, on significant moments and times in someone's life, some special recognition is due. And so we've cooked up a little, well, let me think, what's the word? A musical, perhaps, for you to kind of recap how we feel about you and how we want to participate and be part of this time in your life. So, without any further ado, I would like to prepare you to hear from the Wilkins Family Singers.
Is this being recorded?
Yes.
Thank you.
The stage is alive with the songs of childhood, the songs you have sung since your younger years. Your kids fill your